Hello everyone, my name is Andres Marchant and I'm from Chile, a city called Quilpue City, which is near Viña del Mar and 1 hour and a half from Santiago, that is the capital country. Uh, I'm 38 years old. I'm studying a bachelor in applied businesses and my first degree from Chile it's a computer science engineer. I work for a company called SEM Consulting that resells a software called Kronos or UKG that is in charge of the time and attendance, scheduling, and forecasting solution for human resources. Um, I'm obtaining or I want to obtain a certificate in human resources, and this is one of the classes that is needed for that certificate. Also, I think that it's interesting to learn because with that you could obtain answers to your questions and answers that clicks to you. That's why I'm a continuous learner and I want to continue learning throughout my life. One goal that I have is to understand all the parts that involve conflict and negotiation, and I think that this class will give it to me. And the other one is to try to apply those topics to my own life, regarding with my closer ones and also with the people that I work with. Work with that goals intersect with the course outcomes because it's said in the syllabus that we will learn that one of the outcomes is to understand the steps of conflict, and also the book is really good, the book that we are our first book that we are reading. I have to learn other know other people and learn a lot with this, and try to have the enough skills and like tools to resolve conflict and be a good person in the work and maybe be a good leader. Thank you.